Hello, in this video, I will show you how to get free SSL for your WordPress website. Here, we are going to show you how to get free SSL from Cloudflare. So first of all, we need to create free account on Cloudflare, so now open cloudflare.com. Click on Sign Up. Type your email address. Type your password. Click on Create Account. Now type your website name and then click on Add Site. Now select Free Plan and then click on Continue. Now scroll down and click on Continue. Now we need to change our website name server. We need to replace our current name server to Cloudflare Nameserver. So for that we need to log into our Namecheap account. Go to Dashboard page. Hover over on Domain icon, and then click on Manage. Now, in Domain tab, go to Nameserver. Now change current DNS to custom DNS. Now add Cloudflare Nameserver. Click here to update Nameserver. Now go back to Cloudflare. Click on Done Check Nameserver. Click on Finish Later. Now we need to check if our nameserver changed or not, so scroll down and click on Recheck Now. Sometime it take few minutes to update server. So in meantime let's confirm our email. So go to our email and confirm our email verify. Now our email verified and our website is activate. Click on it. Now, you can see this message, means our website is activate and protecting by Cloudflare. Now click on SSL tab. Now select Full Strict. Click on Edge Certificates. Turn on, always use HTTPS. Now go to Origin Server. Click on Create Certificate. Now go to Certificate Validity. Make sure it select 15 years. Now click on Next. Now we need to install this origin certificate and private key to our website Cpanel. So for that, we need to go back to our Namecheap dashboard. Hover over on hosting icon and then click on Go to Cpanel. Now scroll down and go to SSL and TLS tab. Click on it. Now go to Install and Manage SSL for your website. Click on Manage SSL Sites. Now select your domain. Now first copy origin certificate from Cloudflare. Now paste it in Certificate tab. Now go back to Cloudflare and copy private key. Paste it in private key. Click on Install Certificate. Now our website have SSL certificate. Now we need to install one free SSL plugin to our website. Simply go back to our website dashboard. Go to Plugin tab and then click on Add New. Now search for SSL. Now install and activate really simple SSL plugin. Click on Go ahead and activate SSL. Now enable 301 HT access redirect. Click on Save. Now simply refresh the page and visit your website. Now you can see we have SSL lock icon, and if we click on it, it will show us that connection is secure. It also shows that SSL certificate is valid. When we click on certificate, it will show that this certificate issued by Cloudflare. It also shows certificate validity. The validity is for 1 year, but it's renew automatically every year. Thank you for watching.